and the rewards for the effort can be disappointing.
She's much more at home on land than in the water. One of these fish could weigh more than she does. But these huge fish are worth fighting for. This could be her chance. And this is the first bobcat ever filmed catching the salmon.
Throughout the winter, the river is full of food for those who know how to catch it. So he must choose his target with care. It's 20 feet up. At last, a squirrel. But one is not enough.
But this female has set her sights rather higher. At last. But one gull won't keep her fed for long. Fortunately, this beach is never short of chances to hunt. There's no doubting her persistence and skill. And remarkably, she's doing all this whilst she's blind in one eye.